Hi everybody, today is August 31st, 2023. We should be back at school tomorrow. Idalia wasn't that bad. So we today are doing a choice board, and I'm using First Block as my example in Google Classroom because I want to make sure everything gets done. So you're going to watch this video first, and you're going to create a product answering the question, Valley Forge, would you have quit? You need to do the DBQ online work before you get started. I had a lot of questions about DBQ online yesterday. So in case you weren't sure how to find it, just go to the search bar of ClassLink and type in DBQ. And in order to log in successfully, you have to open the DBQ online through ClassLink. Mine looks a little bit different than yours, but it's the same basic steps because I'm a teacher, you're a student. So you must choose one of the 5 options on the choice board. Let's have that open up. So choice 1. Write a persuasive essay arguing for or against the given prompt using evidence from the documents. Remember, the prompt is Valley Forge, would you have quit? You must use all 4 documents. Prompt 2. Create a visual representation. This could be a poster, infographic, or slideshow summarizing the main points and arguments from the documents. So you'll have to tell me the reasons why you would have quit based on the documents, the reasons why you would not have quit using the documents. The third option, create a podcast or video presentation discussing the significance of the documents and their impact on the given prompt. So you're going to either create a video recording of you discussing how important the documents are in answering the prompt and actually answering the prompt, or you will create an audio recording, a podcast, doing the same thing. Option 4, create a timeline or storyboard illustrating the sequence of events and key points from the documents. So for this one, when we talk about storyboard, it's kind of like a comic strip where you're showing pictures that represent each of the different documents and using them to answer the question. In option 5, create a fictional diary entry or letter from a historical figure like George Washington, reflecting his or their, it's a him in this case because there weren't really any women at Valley Forge, reflecting his perspective on the given prompt and referencing the document. In all 5 of these, you must include information from the documents. There is no other option. I will be grading this as a summative. So you will be graded on the following things: content knowledge, creativity, organization, presentation. Content knowledge, understanding the question, how to answer it, and using the documents. That is 40%. You can get 40% of your grade from just that. Then, creativity and organization are each 25%. So well organized, highly creative and original, fun to read or look at. Finally, presentation, visually appealing, well designed, effectively communicates the main ideas. It doesn't have to be the prettiest thing I've ever seen, but it needs to be able to be understood. So if you're doing a video or a podcast, you must speak clearly and enunciate. A slideshow, the font should be able to be read, same as a infographic. And you can do that sort of thing in Canva. That's a really good thing to use. So this is how I will grade it. Remember, it is a summative, and it is the only summative that will be in your grade book so far. Check Power School if you're not sure what your grade is. Fourth block, if you haven't, and anybody who is absent on Tuesday, if you have not done your Ed puzzle or the Google form, you need to get those done because those grades are in. And I hope you have a lovely day. I will see you tomorrow.